Today, I'm restoring my headlights. So the first step is clean the headlights with soap and water. Second step is to line the headlines with some masking tape. Then you grab the sanding pad with the 1000 grit sandpaper, apply it to the back, like so. Wet the sandpaper and start sanding. Now we're looking to see if all the yellow is gone. Seems like we did a good job. Now this is what we're looking for, that frosted look. Once that's complete, remove the 1000 grit sandpaper and apply the 3000 grit sandpaper. And then repeat the same process. Once you're done, you can remove the masking tape. Give your car a little wash. Dry it. And this is where the magic happens. Let it dry for 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes is done, apply a second coat. And now let it dry for an hour. And this is what it looks like when we're done. So they don't have this item on the TikTok shop, but you can find it on my Amazon storefront page for $11. You can find the link in my bio.